5-minute solution will show you how to type special characters and symbols on iPhone. So to write special characters, open your iPhone keyboard and tap and hold on any word and you will get bunch of different special characters here. You can select any of them. And if you're trying to use a special character that are not available in your keyboard, then open a browser and type here special character and you will get lots of websites where you can get special character or symbol. As you can see, all you have to do is just select the character and tap on copy, then you can paste it in your keyboard. So this is how we can use or type special characters and symbols on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.